Hi everyone, so I've been using the AirPods Pro 3 for about a month now, and here is my honest experience. Let's start with the good stuff, because there is a lot to love here. So first, the noise cancellation. It's insane. I've tested a lot of earbuds and this is easily the best noise cancelling I've heard in this size. Probably even better than some over-ear headphones, but it's not perfect. I'll explain you the downsides in a moment. But for now, second, the Find My feature. At first I thought, come on, I never lose my AirPods, why would I need these? But wow, it's total game changer. Sometimes you just forget, did I leave them in my jacket, on the desk, in another room, or where? And instead of searching everywhere, you just open the app and it literally points you in the right direction. It feels like magic sometimes, really. And the next is the sound. At first, honestly, it felt weird a bit, especially if you come from non-Apple earbuds or even from a regular AirPods 4, for example. Let's see. So here I have my own regular AirPods 4, and I switched from them to Pro version. And at first I didn't like it. The sound felt off, but after a few days your ears adapt and suddenly it just sounds right, balanced, detailed, powerful. Now it actually felt genius. And spatial audio. So spatial audio deserves its own shout out. It's one of those features that makes you go wow. When you raise the volume, it doesn't just get louder when you use spatial audio. The instruments actually move. Some go to the background, others come forward. It gives the music depth. And sometimes, sure, I turn it off when I want to hear a song exactly as it was mixed, but most of the time I leave it on. It just sounds amazing. And now let's talk about the negatives. So the first big issue, the case scratches like crazy. The plastic is soft and beautiful, but it scratches from literally anything. I swear it feels like it scratches from just air. If you want your AirPods to still look clean after a few days, check out my video on the best protective cases for the AirPods Pro 3. You will thank me later. And second problem, weird noise cancelling on the right earbud. In my case, sometimes the right earbuds doesn't block low frequencies properly, while the left one works perfectly in my case. So I still feel that vibration from cars outside, only in my right ear. And yes, it can make your head feel weird after a while. I'm guessing this might be a defect because mine are from the first Vietnam batch, so maybe later units fixed it. If anyone else has this issue, drop a comment below. I'm really curious. And now about how the ANC actually works, okay? So mid and low frequencies are excellent, really, really excellent. High frequencies, not so much. You will still hear them clearly, just softer. Okay, for example, adult voices in the same room, barely audible. But if a kid talks, you'll hear every sound perfectly. Not too loud like in real life, but you'll hear everything. Same with chair squeaks, for example, door creaks, stuff like that, Honestly, I think Apple did this on a purpose, just to keep the high frequency safety sounds, for example like car horns or brakes, still audible. And for about battery life, Apple claims up to 8 hours, right? But yeah, not really. With noise cancelling and music on, I get around 6 hours, maybe. Still very solid, yeah, because for example these earbuds that normally should work 6 hours works 4 hours. But maybe my unit just drains faster since it's an early beta model, right? So I don't know. If you have the newer Chinese version, tell me in the comment how it performs for you. So after months, what do I think? Despite some issues, the AirPods Pro 3 are easily the best earbuds I've ever used. Amazing noise cancellation, great sound, super useful Find My tracking, and that immersive special audio, it's really cool. Just wish the case didn't scratch so fast and that my right earbud worked perfectly every time. But overall, they are absolutely worth it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please drop me a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your AirPods Pro 3 are holding up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.